How to pin a panel in Blender. Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you what you have to do. First of all, you look for the panel that you like to pin, and then all you have to do is just hold shift and then click here right where it says the name of the panel, and then so right beside there you can left click and you can pin this panel, and you can do this with any other panel. Like as you can see here, hold shift and then click, you can pin. We can pin this panel, pin and pin. So I hope you learned something. If you learned something, don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.